Welcome to Marina's kitchen. Today I'm going to make some coconut rough fudge. I have to make a sort of a basket of goodies for a friend of mine. I know she likes this coconut rough fudge, so I thought, oh well, I'll make some because I like it too. I have made it for you before, but I'm going to make it for you now. I'm going to show you how. It's so quickly and so lovely. Just cut it in pieces, put it in the fridge, have a little bit of it now and again. And as I say, it makes it nice if you wrap it up a few pieces in a gift pack, whatever you've got to do. I've got to make this lovely basket for a friend of mine, and I thought I'd put it with some sweets and some biscuits. So what you do, look, you're going to put a cup of coconut and put it underneath the grill. But just be careful because in a minute it just goes brown. We only want to toast it. We only want to toast it lightly. That's all we want to do. And it toasts very quickly underneath the grill. So make sure that you just stand there and just 1 minute and it'll be perfect. So that's what we've got to do with a cup and a half of coconut, okay? Now I've got here in a water with hot water melted 400 gram of dark cooking chocolate. 400 gram of lovely dark cooking chocolate. I've put it on a saucepan of hot water and melted it all. That's 400 gram of dark melting chocolate. Now I'm going to add a tin of condensed milk to that. So quickly, it's so easy and it's so yummy. It doesn't take long to cook and it's lovely to make for little sweet little parcels. Look, just put that Nestle milk, okay? Just stir it all together with your chocolate. Beautiful. Now to that I'm going to add a cup of that toasted coconut, and I'm going to leave a half a cup to sprinkle it on top. That's how quick it is. Just melt that chocolate. Look, put that can of condensed milk. Now we're going to add the cup of coconut that's been toasted. Just wrap it up all together. We're going to pour it into a tray. It's about 30 centimeters, or about 20 centimeters by 18, 26 by 18 I think it is. Now look, that makes a beautiful, all that coconut through that chocolate. That is so yummy. And it's so quick to make some, as long as you've got your cooking dark chocolate inside, your coconut. I've always got a lot of coconut inside. Look, that is beautiful. Now all we got to do, that's so quick, all we got to do is pour it into this dish and then sprinkle some coconut on the top, and then you can have it cold, put it in the fridge, cut it up in pieces, and it's beautiful. I love this coconut rough. You can have a piece anytime you feel like it. So just keep on putting that all into that tray and spreading it out. Line it with some baking paper and just spread it all out like that in that paper, and then we're going to sprinkle some coconut on the top. Just spread it out as much as you can. There's plenty here. It gives it a lovely thick, lovely layer of that beautiful chocolate rough. Beautiful. Keep on doing that. Okay, just keep on doing that. Put it out, stretch it out. And then now we're going to sprinkle it with some coconut on the top. Put it in the fridge and that will just set. In a couple of hours it'll set and you can start having a couple of pieces of it. And it's so yummy. I love it. Instead of having a chocolate, I love this coconut rough thing. Look, that's beautiful. That's how it is. Now what we're going to do is, I've got half a cup of that lovely toasted coconut. Now I'm just going to sprinkle it all on the top like that. Wasn't that quick to do? As long as you've got your dark cooking chocolate, put it on a double with the hot water, melt it. Look how quickly that is. And you've got some beautiful coconut roughs there. Just sprinkle as much as you like of your coconut that you've got baked. As I said, put it underneath the griller, but be careful because it just burns straight away. Just do it like that. And we need a cup. I put a cup of coconut in the chocolate mix, and then I needed another little bit more to sprinkle it on the top. So you're going through about 1.5 cups of coconut, and just put that there and just put it in the fridge to set, and cut it in pieces. As soon as it sets, you can cut it in pieces and put it in a little container and just have a piece anytime you want to. Now I'm going to have to make a couple of gift baskets, so what I'll do is I'll cut up some nice little pieces and put it with some little coloured paper around it with a little ribbon and make it up into with the basket. So that'll come in handy to have, and then I can have some in the fridge and I can eat it anytime I want to. And look, that's so quick. Lovely coconut rough fudge. Please make it, it's really good. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.